Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are traveling west from all sides towards Waitabit. Entering Waitabit. Waitabit community got its name from the Waitabit Tarn. In Jamaica, we call Tarn Maca. The Waitabit Tarn is a bush having sharp hook thorns that can become caught in clothing. Examples of the Waitabit thorns are the thorny African acacia or a catbrier. Wanna chat too much? Just messing with those guys. In English, he told me to drive the car faster, and I replied, "You talk too much." Anyhow, let's continue. So, additionally, the Waitabit thorns are also called wait a minute. On the left, we are passing the Waitabit All-Age School. On the left, we are passing the Waitabit police station. The road on the right will take you to the Litchfield Cave. The road on the left will take you to Joe Hut and Broadleaf Water. We are now entering Litchfield. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.